In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client list in ClickUp. We're going to walk through this step by step so you can follow along in your own workspace. To start, make sure you're logged into ClickUp and then head over to your main list or dashboard overview. This is usually where you can see all your spaces, folders, and lists down the left-hand side of the screen. Next, look for the team space where you want this new client list to live. This might be a space for sales, account management, or general operations. On the left, next to that team space name, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on that plus icon to begin adding something new inside that space. A menu will pop up asking what you'd like to create. Choose List if you want the client list to sit directly in the space. If you prefer to first organize clients into a specific folder, choose Folder and create that folder, then create your list inside it. Once you've chosen List, you'll be asked to name it. Type in the client name or the name you want for this list, depending on how you organize your clients. When you're happy with the name, click on Create. ClickUp will then suggest some default settings and fields. Click on Apply Suggestions. This can take a little while, so be patient. You may see a loading state for a bit. Just give ClickUp time to finish setting everything up. Once that's done, look for the Set Task Type Cube icon at the top of the list and click on it. From the available options, choose Contact. This makes sure your tasks in this list are treated as contacts, which is perfect for clients. Now, click into the first task name field and add your client's name, then click Save. You've just created your first client entry. Click on that newly added client to open the detailed view. Inside the task, add a clear description for the client, who they are, what you do for them, and any key notes your team should know. Then click into the relationship field. Here you can decide whether you want to link this client to existing tasks, documents, or set up waiting on, blocking, or custom relationships to show dependencies. Next, click into the priority field. Choose the appropriate priority level for this client: urgent, high, normal, or low, depending on how critical they are to your workflow. Finally, you can upload any documents related to the client, add due dates for key milestones, and set time estimates. This turns your simple client list into a powerful hub for managing all client-related work in ClickUp.